Welcome to our underwater journey as we dive into the world of fish. From the mesmerizing colors of tropical coral reefs, to the depths of mysterious ocean trenches. Fish are perfectly adapted to life in water, whether it's a stream, like this, a calm pond, like this koi pond, or the vast expanse of the ocean. Their streamlined bodies, fins, and gills make them excellent swimmers, allowing them to navigate the underwater world with ease. Fish are incredibly diverse, with over 33,000 recognized species. They come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny, transparent glassfish to the massive, filter-feeding whale shark. Their diverse adaptations allow them to thrive in a wide range of aquatic environments. Fish are divided into two main groups, bony and cartilaginous. Bony fish, as the name suggests, have bony skeletons. They make up the vast majority of fish species, including familiar ones like salmon and trout. Cartilaginous fish, on the other hand, have cartilage instead of bones. This group includes sharks, rays, and skates. They rely on a range of senses to navigate their underwater world. While their sense of smell is highly developed, some fish, like the electric eel, can generate electric fields to detect prey. They also have a lateral line system that senses vibrations and changes in water pressure. Fish have various reproductive strategies. Some lay eggs that are fertilized externally, while others give birth to a live young. A few even show parental care, guarding their eggs or young. Fish play critical roles in aquatic ecosystems. They serve as both predator and prey, helping maintain the balance of species and controlling populations of smaller aquatic creatures. Some fish, like herbivorous parrotfish, also contribute to coral reef health by grazing on algae. Fish have been a vital food source for humans for thousands of years. They provide a source of protein and essential nutrients for billions of people worldwide. Fishing is also a significant part of many cultures and economies. Fish face various conservation challenges, including overfishing, habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. Sustainable fishing practices and marine protected areas are crucial for preserving fish populations and the health of our oceans. Fish are some of the oldest vertebrates on Earth, with fossils dating back over 500 million years. Their evolutionary history provides valuable insights into the development of vertebrate life on our planet. We hope this exploration has deepened your appreciation for the countless species that inhabit our oceans, lakes, and rivers. Thank you for joining us on this underwater journey. If you like this, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos. See you in the next video.